Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Abhilash and I'm your trader next door. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, AUD for 23rd March 2021. So this analysis is for 23rd March only. You will see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 24th March. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and please do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Okay. So you can see that I have already mentioned few levels here. Okay, here resistance 150 MA. Okay, so we can see that 50 MA is still a valid resistance. Okay, though market is not having any proper movement or not giving us any clear picture, but yes, 50 moving average is still a valid resistance for the market. Okay, and on the other hand, you can see that 0.9719 is this level. Okay, this level is also acting as a resistance right now. Okay, so this is the second resistance, and though market has got some support at this level, this support 29610. Okay, but market is taking support at this level also, 0.9648. Okay, I know I'm sounding very much confusing, but this is the present picture. Okay, if we just look at the overall chart, okay, if you look at the chart from here, then it seems that yes, market is very clear. Okay, market is in downtrend, so we should sell on rise. Okay, it is very easy. Whenever market will rise, okay, we will just short the market and we can make some money. Okay, that was the market. Okay, when market was here or market was here, it was getting resistance from the 50 moving average, so it was easy for us to short the market. But now the things have changed. Okay, let me zoom in the chart and show you. Forget about this part. Now just concentrate on this part only. Okay, if you just concentrate on this part, does it look like that market will fall or this is a trending market? No, market is not having any trend. This But this looks very confusing. Okay, that's why I'm telling you that, or yesterday also I told you that you should not trade in this range. Okay, it was a trending market where it was easy for us to take trade, where I recommended you to short the market here. Okay, hopefully you made good money. But right now, though 50 moving is acting as support, but I will not recommend to short the market because see, because this portion is not at all convincing enough. Okay, so this is kind of a consolidation, so this is just a no trading zone for us. Okay, this is your hard-earned money. Okay, you should not risk your hard-earned money in a market like this. Okay, in a market like this, your hard-earned money does not deserve a market like this. So just avoid Australian dollar, Canadian dollar until and unless it crosses either this level, okay, resistance 2 or support 2. Okay, these two are the levels that we need to keep our eyes on. Okay, on after crossing this level or this level only, we will get a clear picture what will be the next course of action. Till then, we just need to wait and watch, because as I mentioned, your hard-earned money does not deserve this portion. Okay, so therefore just wait and watch. Okay, waiting is also a part of trading, can't help. So this is the analysis for Australian dollar, Canadian dollar for 23rd March. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow then. Okay, bye bye. And do not forget to subscribe.